The road to reopening starts at home. And the Qualtrics daily health screening for staff will help Spencerport provide a safe environment for all. Each morning, staff will receive a district email to their Spencerport account with a reminder to complete the daily health screening. Reminders will be emailed at 6, 7, and 8 a.m. It is crucial that the daily health screening is completed prior to your arrival on campus. To complete the screening, please follow these directions. First, open the email sent to your Spencerport account and click on the link. The opening statement shares that the information you provide will help determine whether you should come to campus. All information is confidential. Indicate if you will be on campus. To indicate that you will not be on campus, simply click No. Doing so will result in an immediate non-approval. Selecting Yes will take you to the next part of the screening, the temperature check. It is important that staff check their temperature each morning. Doing so will help to ensure the health and safety of you, your staff colleagues, and students. Any fever of 100 degrees Fahrenheit or greater will preclude a staff member from being on campus. Next, share any new or unusual symptoms since the last screening or in the last 24 hours. We understand that there are many symptoms associated with COVID-19. However, when a staff member presents with symptoms, unless the district has documentation from a provider regarding chronic illness that aligns to those symptoms, they will not be approved to be on campus. Indicating just one symptom will result in a notice for you to stay home and to report your absence in absence management. Answering none of the above will take you to the approval screen. You are now approved to report to campus for the day. When the daily screening is complete, staff members will receive a confirmation email indicating the status of the screening. Supervisors and human resources will receive reports indicating staff who have been approved or notified to stay at home. Additionally, please refer to our COVID-19 flowchart on our website for return to school guidelines. If you make an error in your submission, the screening prompt does not permit going back or a retake. If this is the case, please be sure to contact your supervisor.